Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today we have a 2021 G23, brand new redesign for the G23 in 2021. We optioned this with the anthracite metal flake. We've got the black bottom and then the white on the whole side. As we come to the back, a couple new design features, a little bit like the Paragon. NSS plates are a lot bigger this year. We did option it also with the stern thruster. A little bit different platform. It's got a nice grab handle to get you up out of the water, a couple cup holders, and then obviously the seats in the back. But let's take a look on the inside of the boat. Welcome to the interior. We did the haze gray interior along with some of the anthracite accent. As you can see, we did the lighting package. The lights are on. I did turn on the cycle so it can go through all the different types of colors that are through the boat. You can keep it just at one color if you like as well, but that's kind of cool. We've got the 8.8 inch JL drivers up on top and with some down lighting as well, which is pretty bright at night. We did upgrade the board racks, so it's kind of nice. Just put the board in, just collapses right down, holds it in place. They still have the nice bench seat that pops up, pops out. This seat can pop up, and this seat actually pops up as well, so everybody can face backward watching the show. We did option this with the ZZ6, so 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque. Got the nice helm seat, just like Nautique has had. 12.4 inch link Panerai. This boat's pretty much optioned with everything that you can get. Heated seats, both sides. We got the nice big bow in the G23 with the bow filler cushion as well. We did option it with the Bimini. This boat here is in Rogers, so come on down, take a look at the brand new redesign. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.